Start by stitching the design without the zipper. Follow your colored chart to complete the design. Remove from the hoop when finished. The running stitch marks your zipper placement. Secure the zipper with Scotch tape. The next color stop will secure the zipper. Place fabric and batting on top section. Design will stitch on top section. Place fabric and batting on bottom section and stitch the design. Add lining to the back of the hoop. Next color stop will secure the lining. Open zipper, half away. Add straps and place already stitched design up top and stitch next color stop to secure. Add lining to cover the complete back of the bag. The last color stop will secure the fabric. Remove from hoop and cut away excess fabric. Turn bag inside out through hole. Cut away stabilizer covering the zipper. Turn bag inside out through zipper and your bag is complete.